Hey guys, we're back at the Fightfast channel. It's Charlie. Today we're breaking down a real life confrontation that escalates quickly, and we'll show you exactly what to do if you ever find yourself in a situation like this, at least coming from the editor. If you guys want real tips by Navy SEALs, Black Ops, real specialists, then go to the link in the description. There's a free Fight Enders link in there. Click it, you'll get tons of free videos. But right here, we got a bigger guy doing what most bullies do, trying to intimidate. The mistake: the smaller guy doesn't disengage early enough. If someone's mouthing off to you like this, your first line of defense is to stay calm and keep your distance. Watch this closely. The big guy turns away to talk to the camera. That's the perfect opportunity for the smaller guy to create distance or exit this situation entirely. Everyone, no matter how good of a martial artist, or all of our instructors, all of the people from the Navy SEALs and Black Ops and all that will all tell you just exit the situation entirely. Instead, he stays rooted, letting the aggressor walk right back into his space. This is when the physical escalation begins. When someone puts their hands on you, you're in a dangerous zone. Here's what the skinnier guy did right. He stayed balanced, didn't panic, and respond by creating space. That's key in any self-defense situation. Notice they both put their hands up, but they're a little too low to protect their face. In a real fight, you always want to keep your hands high enough to guard your head. A low guard leaves you wide open for strikes straight to the head. Backing up is always a pretty good choice, but besides just backing up, you need a plan. The skinnier guy does it well, keeping his eyes on the big guy and staying ready. But constant retreat without a counterattack or a plan can counter you or make you trip up. The smaller guy right here takes a good step back, had his plan, planted his feet, and threw a clean, direct punch straight to the chin. Textbook timing and accuracy knocked the guy straight out. Remember, one well-balanced punch can end a fight in seconds. But don't stick around to admire your work. Like we said, if you can, as soon as he was talking crap to the camera, he should have got out of there. But since it kept on going, once you've stopped the threat, disengage and leave the area safely. This situation could have ended up so much worse for the smaller guy if he hadn't acted when he did. Remember guys, it's not always about size in a fight. You could always be a bigger man. This guy had to be 3 times the size of this man. If you want more better tips, more than from just the editor, like I said, go check out our free Brutal Fight Enders video package. It's over 100 hours. It's in the link in the description. Go click on it. And like I said, you'll get trained by Navy SEALs, Black Ops, specialists, martial artists. It's all free. Go check it out. Over 100 hours. Link in the description. Our free Brutal Fight Enders. Here's another video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bare knuckles, straight punch into him. That's one of the points you can work it. Most of the time your opponent will back off with the fight. You have the side of the neck. On this point, open palm, right into him. Closed fist, with your bare knuckles into it. This fist, straight into him. Let me show you that from a different angle. You have the front of the lips on top of him, straight knuckles into him. The side, right in back of the ear where the ear's at, jaw position, driving your fist into him on this position. Raising the elbow, we have the body. Under your armpit. You can punch on the shoulder point, below. Now, you can use different kind of blows to take those joints out. Elbow, fist, into your elbow. Let me show you, break down a little bit more about the body. Your joints, these positions. Punch, straight in, knees. Most of your opponents, if you eliminate this joint, they're not going to be able to walk or kick or move. Most of the time, they're going to drop as you punch into it. Let me show you the joint inside your thigh. Bare knuckles, punch into them. Elbow into it, knee into it. That's how you break your opponent down.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Let me show you another way to control your opponent. me break that down for you. As your opponent throws a punch, block, upside block, wrap your hands around him, immediately go as close as you can, put your forehead right into his jaw, turn your body, controlling him in this position. Now that I have him here, I can put my knee right into him, breaking the elbow. If he still wants to move around, all I do is lean more back. That's illocate the whole entire shoulder. You have all this, you got your ribs into him, you got your elbow, nose, ears, eyes. Let me show this again. As your opponent comes, outside block, wrap your hand into him, forehead, right into his jaw. You want to grab the back of the head. As you grab the back of the head, you want to turn your body around, bringing him down to the floor.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.